Today on the Roadhouse, another part of the Duramax series where I'm trying to get everything safe as possible. So I was trying to do it in the most safe thing to the least, cosmetic type thing. But we ran into an issue where the brake lines that I was sent by Amazon that were rough country were definitely way too short. So we're going to go ahead with the Kryptonite sway bar in links. Because one of them's broken on mine, it wobbles. Have you ever been in a vehicle where you're driving and you hit a bump and the front end seems like a boat where it's going like this on one side or both sides? Well, that's your sway bar link or your sway bar. Something's wrong with your sway bar hardware. So this is going to fix my problem with the sway bar in links. And from what I've been told and what I've seen on the internet and from everybody that I've seen, Kryptonite is one of the best brands you can get for your suspension for these heavy-duty Duramax diesels. Let's get this video started. Roadhouse is sponsored by Finley River Towing in Ozark and Branson, Missouri. They'll tow anything from Springfield all the way down to Harrison, Arkansas. Speedy's Industrial Coatings. They do media blasting, powder coating, all sorts of stuff. Big or small, they do it all at Speedy's in Ozark, Missouri. Forbes Tire in Paragould, Arkansas. They'll take care of big tires, small tires, any tires you need. Tractor tires, anything you need, call Forbes Tire. And JS Off-Road Addict. They do passenger cars, trucks, Jeeps, buggies, UTVs, ATVs, small engines. They'll do anything you got. They're doing my LS swap, doing all sorts of custom stuff to my Jeep. Upgrades, recoveries. If you're at S'more and you're a breakdown out there, give them a call, JS Off-Road Addict. And one more thing, if you're heading out to S'more next year from March all the way out to Thanksgiving of 2024, give JS Off-Road a call if you need to rent anything to drive out there on the park. They've got Jeeps and side-by-sides to rent for S'more. Okay, we're not going to need very many things here today. You may need, it would really help if you had some sort of a torque wrench or something to get these things out with. You can do it with ratchets, but it's going to be close. All right, you're going to need a 16 millimeter socket, 17 millimeter socket, and 24 millimeter socket. You may need a wobbly here. And you're going to need the corresponding wrenches with it as well to back up the back side of the nut and or bolt. Worst case scenario, you may need a grinder. Here's the old one, and I think that's probably not factory. So there's probably off the BDS lift, 'cause the other one was broken. So anyway, that's what you're going to need for tools today. Opening it up, I got it in an Amazon box that was a little bit bigger with more stuff in it, and it doesn't seem to have any tape on it. And here it is, the instructions. A lot, some bubble wrap here, a lot of hardware. This is a heavy box, don't get me wrong. So comes with a lot of stuff here. So that is the next project. Okay, so up here, 16 millimeter. So let's get that off. That was fast. Broken one. Done. All right, for this next one, you're going to need to pull it out. It's 24 millimeter. All right, it's 24 up top, 24 on bottom. Once you get the old bracket off, the new one goes on pretty easy. Depends on where your truck's from as far as how much rust you've got and all that type of stuff. It's not that bad. I did have to cut mine off, so if that tells you anything. What you want to do is you want to have a screwdriver with you because you don't want to angle your bracket crazy. Nope. As far as this bracket right here, the bolt size is a 19 millimeter. I'm going to use a wobbly on this one. There we go. Let's see if I can do this. You can set it up kind of like this. You put one here, the bushing here with a little indentation on the outside. There's that. Then you're going to do the exact opposite on the other side. And once you get it in, then you just tighten it up. There we go. This top bolt here is a 16 millimeter. couple more. You have the Kryptonite sway bar and links. Do you like them? Let me know down in the comments. Thank you all for watching, liking, subscribing, and as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her away wet. Thank you all for watching. One more thing. Expect a lot more videos regarding the Duramax diesel on safety, maintenance, all sorts of stuff. Thank you all for watching. So I'm towing this guy and my parts truck off my property. A little bit too slick out here.